guys, welcome back to my channel. Today what you're going to see means unboxing of Flipkart SmartBuy webcam for my Mi TV. Let's see how it works. Yesterday I ordered and today I received this webcam. Okay, anyway, let's see how it works and how is the camera clarity, how is the video quality and audio quality. We can see in next video. Now this video is for unboxing. Okay, I want to tear this tape because previously I ordered a MI webcam only, but unfortunately it got cancelled due to any issues. I don't know. Due to some issues it got cancelled. So other than replacing that, I ordered this webcam. Anyway, this webcam also 1080p only at 30 fps. Let's unbox it. There is the bill. Here is the Flipkart SmartBuy webcam. You can see this is the box. Got SmartBuy, and here you can see the specification of camera. It's 1080p webcam, but MRP is not 2599. I bought this at 1499. Okay, anyway, let's unbox it. Okay, let's open it up. You can see inside the box there is a manual guide is there. If you want to read this, means just past this video you can read. Back side is also there. You can see. You can see. Okay, let's keep this aside first, and you can see this is the webcam. Let's open it up. Yeah, here you can see this is the webcam. Okay, it's not detachable. Anyway, it's okay. This is the stand for that webcam. You can fix this in your laptop or in your Mi TV also. Okay, here they are using a shutter for this camera also. Here you can see for closing the camera lens for security and privacy purpose. You can see this is a dual microphone, and that's all, guys. Okay, anyway, if you're having any doubts or questions, just ask him in the comment section. Definitely I will reply. And for next video, now I'm going to show you about how to configure this camera in Mi TV. That you can see in this next video. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video, and do like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye.